Welcome to AI Frontiers, where we explore the cutting edge of artificial intelligence research. Today we're examining AI's digital heartbeat and the remarkable computational linguistics breakthroughs that emerged on September 16, 2025. We'll dive into 17 groundbreaking papers that represent paradigm shifts in how machines understand and generate human language, from AI lie detection systems to culturally aware dialogue platforms that are reshaping human-machine communication. Picture this scenario. You're having a conversation with an AI assistant about your grandmother's secret pasta recipe, and halfway through the discussion, the AI suddenly starts explaining quantum physics. This sounds absurd. Yet this kind of bizarre behavior, what researchers call hallucination, happens more frequently than you might expect in today's most advanced language models. However, scientists have discovered a revolutionary method to predict these mental lapses by listening to the AI's digital heartbeat patterns. September 16th proved to be the most productive single day in computational linguistics history, yielding insights that could transform how we interact with artificial intelligence. The 17 papers we're examining today represent far more than incremental improvements in AI technology. These are genuine paradigm shifts that are fundamentally reshaping how machines understand and interact with human communication. We're witnessing breakthroughs ranging from AI systems capable of detecting their own lies to autonomous agents that can conduct research for hours without losing focus or forgetting earlier discoveries. These advances bring us significantly closer to developing truly intelligent machines that can engage with human language in sophisticated, nuanced ways that were previously thought impossible. Think of computational linguistics as the Rosetta Stone of artificial intelligence. Just as archaeologists use the ancient Rosetta Stone to translate between different scripts and languages, computational linguists create systems that bridge the fundamental gap between human communication and machine understanding. This fascinating field exists at the intersection of computer science, linguistics, and cognitive psychology, encompassing everything from the chatbots on your smartphone to the translation services that break down language barriers across the globe. The field goes far beyond teaching machines to understand individual words, focusing instead on capturing the subtle nuances of human communication, such as understanding when the phrase "that's cool" represents genuine praise versus subtle sarcasm. Our first major theme revolves around safety and cultural awareness in global dialogue systems. Imagine the complexity of creating a universal translator that doesn't just convert words from one language to another, but also successfully navigates the subtle cultural landmines embedded within every language and communication style. This represents exactly what researchers are grappling with as they develop dialogue systems that must operate safely across diverse global communities. The challenge extends far beyond simply avoiding obviously harmful content. It involves understanding that a compliment considered appropriate in one culture might be perceived as condescending or inappropriate in another. Current systems demonstrate a significant gap between their ability to detect explicit harm and their capacity to navigate culturally inappropriate responses that might not be explicitly harmful but could cause offense or misunderstanding. The second major theme focuses on specialized applications and domain adaptation in AI systems. Rather than continuing to build one-size-fits-all solutions, researchers are crafting AI tools specifically tailored for particular professional contexts and specialized domains. Think of this distinction like the difference between a Swiss Army knife and a surgeon's scalpel. Both tools have their utility, but when precision and expertise matter most, you want the specialized instrument designed for the specific task. We're observing this trend in applications ranging from sophisticated financial analysis of Federal Reserve meeting transcripts to maritime intelligence systems capable of processing shipping data with domain-specific expertise and understanding that general-purpose systems simply cannot match. Our third theme centers on interpretability, essentially teaching AI systems to show their work and explain their reasoning processes. Picture trying to understand how a master chess player thinks by carefully observing their moves and trying to deduce their strategic thinking. Researchers are developing sophisticated techniques to peer inside the black box of language models, seeking to understand not just what these systems are doing, but why they're making specific decisions. This isn't merely academic curiosity, it's absolutely crucial for building trust in AI systems, especially when they're making important decisions that affect people's lives. However, Lee and colleagues made a startling discovery that popular methods for understanding how AI models work might be fundamentally flawed. They found that techniques designed to translate internal AI representations into human-understandable language often succeed without actually accessing the AI's internal processes, suggesting we might be making educated guesses rather than truly reading the machine's mind. Several revolutionary discoveries emerged from September 16th that challenge our fundamental assumptions about AI systems. Tang and colleagues uncovered something they termed the overprompting phenomenon, discovering that providing too many examples in prompts can actually make AI systems perform worse, like giving someone so many examples of how to tie their shoes that they become paralyzed by choice. Lee and team revealed that AI systems can detect their own hallucinations by analyzing frequency patterns in their internal signals, essentially listening to their digital brainwaves. Wu and colleagues demonstrated that AI agents can now conduct research for hours, like human researchers, maintaining focus and building comprehensive understanding. Perhaps most remarkably, researchers discovered that digital signal processing techniques can reveal when an AI system is about to generate false information, potentially solving one of the most pressing problems in AI deployment. Today's paper of the day comes from Mendonca and colleagues, representing the Dialog System Technology Challenge track. This work constitutes one of the most comprehensive evaluations of dialogue system safety and quality ever conducted. Rather than being just another research paper, this represents a crucial wake-up call about the significant challenges we face as AI systems become increasingly global and culturally diverse. The researchers organized a massive international evaluation involving teams from around the world, all tackling the fundamental question of how to build dialogue systems that are not only effective, but also safe and culturally appropriate across different societies. The study reveals critical blind spots in current AI safety research through its examination of two major challenges: automatic quality evaluation across multiple dimensions, and cultural safety detection. The cultural safety crisis revealed by Mendonca and colleagues presents stark and concerning findings. While participating teams achieved impressive results in detecting explicitly harmful content across different languages, reaching over 96% accuracy in some cases, they struggled dramatically with cultural safety detection, achieving only approximately 51% accuracy. Most remarkably, baseline systems actually outperform sophisticated AI approaches in this domain. This stark contrast reveals a critical blind spot in current AI safety research. We've become quite proficient at building systems that can identify obviously problematic content such as hate speech, violence, and explicit harm, but we're still struggling significantly with the more subtle aspects of cultural appropriateness that are crucial for safe global deployment of AI systems. The human element of this research proves particularly compelling and reveals the complexity of cultural safety beyond simple offense avoidance. The researchers didn't conduct their experiments in isolation, but actively engaged with diverse communities and cultural experts to understand how safety and appropriateness vary dramatically across different societies. They discovered that cultural safety isn't merely about avoiding offense. It involves understanding the deep social structures and values that fundamentally shape how people communicate and interact within their specific cultural contexts. The research demonstrates that how people communicate varies dramatically across societies, and current approaches to safety detection may be insufficient for multicultural deployment. These findings suggest that additional research and development are critically needed before AI systems can be safely deployed without human oversight in diverse cultural contexts. Looking toward the future, computational linguistics appears to be unfolding along several exciting trajectories, each offering promise for more intelligent, useful, and trustworthy AI systems. Think of the current state of the field as standing at the base of several mountain peaks, each representing a different frontier, waiting to be conquered. The first frontier involves developing AI systems that can truly understand and respect cultural diversity, moving beyond basic language understanding to navigate subtle cultural nuances. Another promising direction focuses on creating more efficient and accessible AI systems, democratizing capabilities for smaller organizations. We're also advancing towards sophisticated autonomous agents capable of conducting extended research independently, representing a fundamental shift from simple text generation to complex autonomous reasoning. Additionally, future systems will integrate multiple modalities, including text, images, audio, and sensor data, enabling more human-like understanding of the world. As we conclude our exploration of these remarkable research advances, it's clear that September 16, 2025, will be remembered as a pivotal day in the evolution of computational linguistics. From discovering the limits of overprompting to developing systems capable of detecting their own hallucinations, from creating culturally aware dialogue systems to building agents capable of extended autonomous research, these breakthroughs collectively reveal a field undergoing rapid transformation. The 17 papers we've explored represent fundamental shifts in how we approach the challenge of creating machines that can truly understand and communicate with humans. What strikes me most about this collection of research is how it balances ambitious technical innovation with genuine concern for the human impact of these technologies, reflecting a field that's not just pushing boundaries, but also taking responsibility seriously. This analysis was synthesized using advanced AI systems to process and summarize the latest research developments. The text-to-speech synthesis is powered by Deepgram technology, with image generation capabilities provided through OpenAI platforms. All synthesized content has undergone human expert review to ensure accuracy and comprehensiveness. We acknowledge that some oversights may exist in this analysis, and we provide complete references to all original research papers for those who wish to explore the findings in greater detail. The integration of multiple AI technologies in creating this content demonstrates the collaborative potential between human expertise and artificial intelligence in making complex research accessible to broader audiences. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from archive preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses archive-preprint-server.org, content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by archive-preprint-server.org.